is April Beriosa Medrano. I'm 33 years old. I live in San Juan, Pili, Kamsor. I work in Malaysia and good country. I'm for my family and my kids need and for school and
Okay.
support my family.
Okay. Are you married?
No?
Okay, but do you have a live-in partner?
Yes.
Okay. How many kids do you have?
4,
How old are they?
11, 9, 8, and 3 years old.
Who's gonna take care of them if you work abroad?
My husband and take care of my kids.
Okay, if your husband is not available.
My mother.
Okay. Can you tell me about your work experience?
My work experience is caring my kids and cooking and cleaning.
Okay. Did you work as a housemaid before?
Yes.
Okay. Is it abroad or just local?
Local.
How long did you work for that employer?
2 years and a half.
Okay. And what were your duties inside the house?
For I 6 to 8.
Okay. 6 to 8. And what do you do?
I clean, cook, wash plate, and
General household work.
yes.
Okay. Did you have an experience taking care of small children with employer?
Yes.
Okay. How old are they?
Newborn, 1 to 3,
Okay.
and
So in that household with that employer, was there a small child?
yes,
Okay, and you were the one who's taking care of them?
yes.
Oh, okay. Why do you want to work abroad?
I will work to abroad for financial for my family needs and giving personal needs.
Okay. To provide the needs of your family.
Yes.
Why did you choose Malaysia?
Malaysia is a good country and I been to Malaysia.
You've been to Malaysia before?
No.
Oh,
I
this is
first time.
first time. Oh, okay. If you work in Malaysia, what do you prefer to take care? Small children, newborn baby, elderly, or disabled
Yes.
person? Which one?
Or newborn and 1 to 2 years old.
Okay, so you're okay with newborn and toddlers?
Yes.
Okay. If your employer asks you to sleep with a newborn baby, is it okay with you?
It's okay.
Okay. Do you have any allergy with any food?
No.
With pets, do you have allergies? Are you willing to work to an employer who has pets inside the
Yes.
house? Okay. Is there any food that you don't like to eat or you don't eat?
Pork. I don't like eat pork because I'm Islam.
Okay, understood. How long do you plan to work in Malaysia?
2 years.
Are you willing to extend the contract?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me what is your dream for your family?
My family give money to buy needs and I dream buy house.
Okay. Well, that's it for our interview today. Thank you so much for your time.